this is Hazel Hildreth again. Sorry I was not able to vlog for a few months because I was so busy moving back here in the States. So today I'm gonna cook a chicken cordon bleu. The ingredients are cheese, either shredded cheese or the square cheese or any kind of cheese, and chicken. We slice it really thin like this, and then you put ham, and then you put the chicken with salt and pepper. And then if you don't want salt and pepper, you can do this. You can leave it the way it is, like chicken, and then breadcrumbs. Any kinds of breadcrumbs, but I use Italian style breadcrumbs. And then eggs. We already break the eggs, and then you put the chicken first to here, and then after you put inside the eggs, you need to put here with breadcrumbs. And put in here. And the one who's taking over is my sister. She has a blog too, Vicenta Debris. Hello. And she is also a good cook. Char. And you need to have vegetable oil too. And ham. This is our finished chicken cordon bleu. There's a cheese inside and ham, and we're ready to eat. We just eat with the garlic rice. Ayaw ka na, katuntik. Ano mo, looks good.